Resetting a smart lighting with Netatmo device is simple. Start by opening the Legrand Home Plus Control app. To reset an in-wall switch, dimmer, outlet, or plug-in, delete the device from the app. The device will automatically reset, and the LED light on the device will turn red, indicating the reset is complete. To reset a battery device such as a wireless switch, dimmer, home away, or wake sleep switch, once you delete the device from the app, you'll need to reset the device to factory default. Just press and hold the Easy Setup button for 10 seconds. The device's LED will blink red. The LED light will turn off once the reset is complete. To reset a gateway, once you delete the device from the app, you'll need to reset the gateway to factory default. Just press and hold the Easy Setup button for 20 seconds. The gateway's LED light will turn orange, then magenta, and then turn off to indicate the reset is complete. Don't forget, deleting or resetting a gateway will remove and reset all devices in that system. For more on smart lighting solutions, visit us online.